Alright fellas, we back. Started the disassembly process on my brother's 1987 Monte Carlo luxury sport. Took out the seats, took the carpet out. Wanted to get a good look at the floor pans and see what condition they was in. And they pretty good, fellas. If you get a car down here in the South, man, you ain't really gotta worry about riding stuff. And these floor pans right here, they in pretty good shape. Just got a few ants to deal with and a little bit of surface rust. I'm gonna not get my wire brush and knock that out. But the driver's side, immaculate. Pretty good shape, fellas. The more I work on it, the more I fall in love with it, man. Like, see all there. And what I'm gonna do next, after I get all that surface rust up, I'm gonna get under the dash over here, take it around here, make sure if I got any bad connections, I'm gonna clean all that up. See, make sure all the connections are good. Make sure we ain't got like this wire just hanging. We don't know where that's going. Find that out. Yeah, fellas. These floor pans are in great shape. But I'm gonna take a look at that wiring, and then I'm gonna come out here. I'm gonna just start on this side, get all this stuff, get the battery out, get this out, go on and take the fender off, get the hood off, get that heater AC box out. Yeah. See. It's in good shape, fellas. See if she'll crank up. Let's do a cold start. Let's do a cold start, fellas. Get the right key. Give it a couple pads. Oh yeah, gotta love a Gbody, fellas. A little 305 purring like a kid. But I'm not gonna touch nothing on the motor since we're gonna go with a motor swap. I'm just gonna work around it. And then once we get that 350 or that 383, we're gonna go on and pull her. I'm just gonna get that AC box off, take that fender off, clean up the wiring and stuff. He already got somebody that's gonna do the interior. So, it's just a quick video just showing you what I did today in these couple hours I got. But yeah, fellas, gotta love it. I'm gonna let her warm up here for a little while, and then I'm gonna go on and get cleaned up and go back inside, fellas. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all have a great day.